What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's take a look at BABA. Basically, it's still within inside of this yellow range dating back to last year, December. So it's just trading sideways, very flat. Money is not really interested in this stock right now. And a lot of the liquidity is flowing into other stocks instead. So BABA basically not doing anything. It looks like it failed to reach this mesh move target. You can see that this was one leg up right here. This was the start of the second leg. And you can see that this was the first attempt by the bulls to reach that target and failed. And then we saw another attempt up and it's failing again right at the highs of the range at the 77.67. And it's sending price down back to the low. So there's a good chance that we're going to probably see price reach the low 70s, possibly even break out lower. This is showing a bearish imbalance. Looks like price is just not ready to go up higher. So it looks like price is going to continue to trend down lower. Let me see if there's a trend line right here. I don't really like to draw trend lines as the price continues to trade sideways because it's less valid. So I think this was probably the last trend line right here that the bulls had. And you see that price broke it, came back to back test it. After breaking it, you see that price came back to back test it for resistance and then it sold off. And you can see that price did make two legs up to that area. So this was one leg up right there, a very small one. Price dropped, it made the second leg up, was exceeded just slightly, and then price sold off lower. So the previous leg was this one right here. So that tells me we can get the next leg down towards the $70.30 level. So again, that's what it's looking like. And you can see that price is kind of staying outside of this trend line right here. So it looks like a breakdown lower below this red candle. There's a good chance this will continue to trade lower. So that's how I'm seeing BABA. It looks like it's weak in the short term, and I expect more downside, probably to that $70 level, and maybe even a breakdown lower. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. And weekly chart shows that this week is looking pretty bearish. It looks like a tail bar, a reversal candle, or a lower high. Price is still staying below that EMA. We're making lower highs, and overall it's still a bearish looking chart. I mean, it's not bullish. You see that, if you draw this trend line, we just got rejected from it, so we're still at the trend line below the EMA, below the $80 level, which was prior support. Everything is pointing to the downside in the long term as well until we see some rapid increase in price. The expectation is BABA will continue to trend sideways or possibly lower, most likely in the short term, and then probably more lower in the future. So again, not a bullish looking chart at all. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.